Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the environment ready and taking the first concrete steps. Open the official registration app and enable NFC on your phone or reader. Make sure the reader supports the card type and that the card UID is visible in the app, because that UID will link to an account. Once done, choose the registration mode, single or batch, and input the user ID and access profile. You'll proceed immediately to scanning the card when the app prompts you. Now you handle the core steps. Place the card in the reader's sweet spot and wait for the app to display the UID. Verify it matches the expected account to avoid mismatches. Next, assign the access profile, time window, and any custom fields, and enable secure write or encryption if your system supports it. After writing, the app will perform a verification read, inspect the return data, and then close the session while logging a transaction ID for traceability. Finish by testing the card at the actual reader or door. Tap and confirm the access granted and that latency is acceptable. If verification fails, retry the write with verbose logging, check antenna alignment, and try a different reader. Repeat up to 3 times before marking the card faulty. Make sure you update the user record with the UID and transaction ID and keep a secure backup of UID mappings. That way, if something goes wrong later, you have the audit trail to fix it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.